I'm starting with $100 and flipping it into 1,000 trading stock options, specifically day trading SPY options. So you can see the account has $100 in it right now. It's at just about 10 a.m., which is the time I wait to trade. I don't mess with the first 30 minutes of the market open because it's just too crazy. You can't trust any of the moves, you know. It'll look like it's going to go up and then it'll shoot down, or it'll look like it's going down and then it'll turn around and shoot up. So you just really can't trust it at all for the first 30 minutes. So I wait till 10 to make any moves. Right now what I'm going to be doing is marking the highest point that the stock's been since it's opened, which is up here at 516.01, and then down here at, let's see, that was pre-market, that last level. So since it's open, it's only really been as low as this far, 515.22. So let me mark the 515.22, and that's going to be the low point that it's been. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for it to break and retest one of these zones. So if it either goes up to the top here or it goes down below the bottom here, these lines that I set, these price alerts that I set, I'm looking for it to not only break that, but go down, come up, retest it, and then go back down. Or break this, come up, come back down, hit it again, bounce off of it, retest it, and go back up. So I'm looking for a break and a retest to one of these zones, either to the upside or to the downside, because that's the strategy I'm going with this second. I'm just going to try some different strategies out. So, you know, for about a week, I'm going to try a strategy. And then if it doesn't work, I'm going to try another strategy for like a week and on and on. So for right now, this is the strategy I want to try. I want to wait till 10, mark the highest that the stock's been up until that point, mark the lowest the stock's been up until that point, and I want to wait for a break and a retest of that point, and then we'll see how it looks from there. I'll go ahead and I'll jump in, and it's going to be 0 DTE options because obviously there's 0 days till expiration, so they're expiring same day, so they're more risky, but you get a bigger reward, a bigger payout on those. So I'll be looking to probably just grab either one in the money contract so I can get better Greeks, you know, like a better delta, or I might grab like 2 out of the money contracts because I like that too, because even though they're out of the money, I can scale out of the trade. You know, if it starts going my way, I can sell one, hold on to the other one for a minute, see what happens. If it's going my way, hold it. If it's not, pitch it. So yeah, I'm either going to be buying one in the money contract or multiple out of the money contracts. It just depends, but definitely 0 DTE options on SPY as soon as I get a break and retest to one of these zones. So I'm going to turn my phone up, turn these alerts up so I hear it. I have earphones in. I will hear it when it breaks and retests either one of these zones, which looks like it's going to be this downward zone, but we'll see. When it breaks and retests one of these points here, one of these zones, then I'll come back and jump in, and we'll see what's up.
Alright, SPY broke the price alert to the upside. Squeezed up pretty hard. I didn't get in as soon as it broke. I waited patiently for the retest. It squeezed back down. It's retesting right now and it's pushing back up. So this would be the time to get in a call. So I'm probably just going to get in one in the money call. If I hurry, I can grab this one here. Let's see what the Greeks are though. I need to check that. Theta is kind of high, but that's to be expected. Delta's 0.3. That's decent. 13,000 people in the call. 3,000, almost 4,000 in the put. That's a good sign. Let me go ahead and jump in this one while I can. It's now 98, so I'm going to try to get in for 98. See if it gets filled. It did. Okay. So now I'm in this call here. So first thing I'm going to do is turn this point into the stop loss. So now the stop loss will be right here at 516.01. So I go into the alerts, change this to price below 516.01. That's my alert to get out. I can push this right here and see how much I'm up. 2%, 3%, $3 right now. And then as far as a place to get out, I need to scroll to the left, look for some strong resistance, which was right here, 516.28, because last time you can see it got stuck here hard and then bounced back down. So that's a point where I don't have to get out, but I'd be looking to get out, because last time it got stuck there and rejected off that point and went back down. So it's a potential place to get out. So I'm going to watch that close for the point to get out, especially if I'm at 10%, because this is just a quick scalp, real quick move here. So if I'm at 10% by the time I get to 516.28, then definitely looking to just pull out and snag that. See what we got here. It's very possible I'll get a quick 10% by then. Just gotta be patient while it bounces a little bit. There we go. I'm at like 7%, so now it's just a judgment call. It's like I said last time, I got rejected there, so it's a potential place to get out, or I could stay in and see if it goes a little higher. This would be a good place to scale one if I would have bought two. So I decided to buy one in the money contract to get a better contract. But if I would have bought two out of the money contracts, this is where I would scale out of one. So I would get out of one right here at 516.28 where it got rejected before, just in case it does it again, and then I'd hold on to the other one and see what it does. But there we go. It's already pushing up pretty good bit. Look at that. Pushing up, pushing up. So I can go ahead and pitch this one for 12%, $12, and just be happy with that. That's at 110. So let me put in the order to sell. This is just a quick scalp. So there you go. That's 12%, $12 basically. 112 on the account if you round.